Hell yeah, Chunk, get it. Oh my God, Chunk. Oh my God. I don't know. Watch out, over here. Oh, good. Bring him over, bring him over. Oh my God. That is a huge brown.
Oh, it's a frog.
All right, Mark Chunk. First time out brown fishing of the year. Damn shame he didn't have a GoPro on, but he just caught an absolute freaking monster stream brown. Hold that thing up, our dog. Good Lord, that's a nice fish. That is a dandy of a stream brown.
That's a big puppy.
That is huge. Man. For the streams we're fishing, that is a really big fish. We're gonna get him back, get some pictures. Mark Chunk is the brown trout whisperer today.
Man, look at that thing.
That is what you call a dandy of a stream brown. Big red spots on him. Back and he goes. Hold him by the tail. Revive him real quick. He doesn't even need it. All right, Mark Chunk got her done. That is an absolute monster of a stream brown. That's on the Fire Tiger or the orange?
Orange.
Got her done on the orange. Fish took off healthy. It don't get no better than that. First time out this year, already got one over 20 inches. Fish. Got him. Yep. Little guy. All right, there we go. Not the biggest one by any means, but that is my first one of this brown trout season. Big old red spots on them. Chomp the spinner. Hopefully we can get some more of them. There he is. Good fish, good fish.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh, that thing smoked it. Hot rod, hot rod. Oh yeah, baby. That thing friggin' roasted it. Calm down, little fella. Dang, look how much different he looks than the other one. Look at all those freaking, he's like peppered. All right, that did not take too long from that last one I just caught. It's getting dark. I figured they start chomping the brighter colors, the darker it gets. Look at how different the spot pattern is on that one compared to that last one I just caught. Just peppered. Little spots, but a whole bunch of them. Absolutely demolished that thing. Way too much fun on these ultralights. Get him unhooked, get him back in the water, catch another. All right, back and he goes. Just like that. Fish. Hey, ain't fighting too good. All right, that's a lazy one. Ain't sure good y'all can see that, but another fish. That thing's like a silver one. All right, it's getting dark enough to the point where the flash is on, but trout are still freaking smoking the spinner. Look at the spots on that thing. That's a super pretty fish. That thing's pretty much all red spots. Just big red spots. Someone told me they get them things from eating crawdads and stuff like that. Not sure if that's true, but let me know if y'all know anything about that. But probably got about 10 more minutes left of fishing. Hope we can pull another one. Fish. There we go. There we go. Just freaking clobbered it. Ain't too cold out today. About 40 degrees. Got to warm up. First trout of the day. He's about to start giving me some problems. Try to start flipping on me. So I'm gonna get him unhooked and get him back in the water. There he is. That's a good fish. That's a real good fish. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, it's real. Oh, no, no, no. I got it. No. No. I knew this damn rod was gonna have that problem. This thing don't have enough backbone to it. It don't set the hook that good. Oh, that was a good one. That freaking sucks. Smoked that thing instantly. Man, that ain't worth a f. I grabbed him, dude. Damn it. He wasn't huge, but he was a good one. Can't say I didn't think that was gonna happen on this rod. Trying out a new rod today. Super flimsy. Literally does not have any backbone, and that's my main worry, that I ain't gonna be able to drive the hook into these fish. So that confirms it. That sucks. What can you do, I guess? Wasn't no giant. Oh, good 13 inches fast, freaking pretty. Bunch of gold on them and some spots. I would have liked to get them, but it's whatever. Oh, come on, man. He hit it right at my feet. There he is. There he is. Got him. Got him. Got him. Oh, good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Real good fish. Oh my God. Come on, baby. Stay on there. Stay on there. Stay on there. Stay on there. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. That is a good end. Oh yeah, that is a really nice one. Let's go. I think that was that same fish that literally came and swiped at it, missed me, and then came back and hit it. Hell yeah, that made my whole day worth it. All right, buddies, look at the size of that one. That is a really nice brown. Tip of my fingers going halfway up my elbow. That's a real good one. Clobbered that big spinner. He came, swiped at it once. I'm pretty sure it was the same fish at least. Swiped at it once and then clobbered it again. That's a real nice fish. Pumped to catch him. Spend a little time in the water with him. Boom, just like that. All right, buddies, there we go. That makes my whole day worth it. I lost that real nice one back by the bridge. Caught a small one earlier, but that is a very nice fish. Cannot complain with something like that. So got about, I don't know, probably 10 minutes left of daylight, but see if I can't squeak one more out. Probably won't, but you never know, so stay tuned.